Hi guys, so let's start off with 900 grams of Marie biscuits. I start off by putting them in a bag and crushing them up into little pieces. Six eggs and 10 ml of vanilla essence. Then 1,500 grams of icing sugar, 120 grams of cocoa powder. I melt 750 grams of margarine. Then I just use this large bowl because I make big quantities. And put the biscuits in there, the Marie biscuits. I crush the big pieces with my hand that I see. Don't worry too much about it because you'll also break it up with your spoon. The melted butter, I add the dry ingredients to it and I stir it until it's this icky consistency. Keep stirring. You'll see just now what it should look like. When it's all incorporated, I add the eggs. It will kind of look like it's starting to separate if you add the eggs, but just keep stirring. It will all come together in the end. Keep stirring, and it should look like this. Then I take the biscuits and just add all the wet ingredients all together. This can be quite difficult if the wet mixture isn't hot enough or still warm enough. Then I take a lined tray or pan, whatever you decide to use, and I just dump the entire mixture into the pan. In there, push everything out into all the corners as flat as you can possibly get it. Sometimes I use another pan on top just to get it all nice and flat. Then I use my rusk cutter because I keep them in the rusk size, just to mark out the pieces because it's quite difficult just to cut with that. Then I take a knife after that and just cut straight through the marks of the rusk cutter. And then you can set it aside, room temperature, or in the fridge if you're in a hurry, for about 2 hours, and then you just flip it over. Peel off the, look how satisfying that is, peel off the paper, and then you are ready. Look how yummy this is. Let's taste it. And it's so scrumptious, nostalgic, yum.